PEFAZIL, what it is and why it matters. At Get Poetry, we often see the same issue when students write about poetry. You understand the poems, you have ideas, you can select quotations. But when examiners read your work, that understanding does not always translate into higher band marks. The reason is rarely knowledge, it's usually how analysis is shaped and developed. And this is where PEFAZIL comes in. PEFAZIL is not a checklist, and it's not a paragraph formula. It is a toolkit for analytical thinking. Its purpose is to help you write paragraphs that naturally meet what examiners reward: detailed analysis of language, form and structure, and clear, sustained comparison. Across this series, we're going to use one shared question to show how this works in practice. Remind yourself of If and My Last Duchess from the anthology. How is power presented in these poems? We'll return to this question in every episode and gradually build one strong comparative paragraph. The aim is not simply to show you a model answer, but to make the thinking behind it visible. The mark scheme is clear about what strong responses do. They analyse writers' choices, consider effects, and compare the poems consistently rather than treating them separately. That combination is what moves the answers onto the top levels. Where many students lose marks is by stopping too early. They make a point, they give a quote, and explain what happens. That shows understanding, but it rarely shows depth. To go further, you need to slow analysis down, focus on specific choices, and make comparison purposeful. And this is exactly what PEFAZIL helps you to do. By the end of this series, you should feel confident, not just about what to write, but how to build an analytical paragraph that does what examiners want. In the next episode, we begin with the most important step of all, writing a clear, comparative opening point about power in If and My Last Duchess.